I'm Josh and I'm head of marketing at Bells and Lazonby. We're an independently family-owned bakery founded in 1946 by John Bell. We pride ourselves on innovation, quality and supplying customers with excellent service levels. Our innovation process is key to how we bring products to market. We were scaling to a point where we had so many processes and innovation pipeline that we needed to make that decision process a lot more focused. So we brought Vypr in to answer those questions quickly that we would present to buyers.
The challenges we faced with NPD before we used Vypr was that we would develop products and it would select the products as a team, and it would be more from a personal choice as to which product we thought would suit the market the best. Going forward with Vypr, it gives us insight into hundreds of consumers, so we're able to have the confidence that those products are going to be well received rather than just based on a couple of people in the NPD team's opinion.
We use it right the way through the innovation development process, from testing initial concepts and platforms all the way through to, what's the nuance of flavour for a specific customer or market.
Every time we come with an idea, we want to know which kind of flavors we are doing. So Vypr is the closest way that we have to get that perspective. And then we get a lot of insights from the consumer. So we use it a lot just to get closer to them and trying to follow what the consumer is trying to find in the market.
So traditionally, we'd approached flavour choice and NPD through going out into the field, seeing what flavours were there in our competitors, travelling abroad, looking at flavours, say in America, and then bringing those in-house and working on those flavours. We still do that now, but then obviously we then use Vypr to help shortlist those flavours and understand whether they're going to be popular in the UK market.
We always have a bunch of ideas of what we could do. And Vypr help us to say maybe people don't want the same. So it does help us to get actually quick decisions when we are unsure about should we go this way or that way. We use it pretty much in every single project we have.
Prior to using Vypr, we could take a product all the way to market and only find out once it was in the market that the flavour or the product wasn't well received. So obviously there's a lot of wasted investment.
It's really made us think differently for the future, in that we can all have ideas in terms of flavour and trends, but what's the right product market fit to launch?
We're really excited to be launching the new Wheel of Cake cinnamon slice in Tesco. We took the inspiration from cinnamon buns and cinnamon rolls.
We wanted to really launch something that was on trend, but we had a bucket of innovation in terms of flavours, and we used Vypr to test what would be the most popular within our demographic of younger consumers.
So Vypr helped us picking the name, picking the flavor as well. We had a list of possibilities, and we saw which one the people were going with. They definitely prefer cinnamon.
So yeah, we're really excited that we're launching that exclusively with Tesco.
The biggest benefit with working with Vypr has been the speed at which we can get answers and decisions and present those to buyers. We're living in a world in which innovation is getting quicker and more global, and we can use it as a touch point to calibrate all of our thinking before we go to market.
So Vypr helps us day to day. We're using it at several stages through development. So we may use it in the ideation if we've got stacks of ideas and we want to try and start to filter it. We're also using it during the presentation process to customers. So we may develop 5 products with customers and they love 3, and so we might then put those 3 through Vypr to see how they rank and whether we should continue with 2 or there's one clear winner. It's just helping us to focus on the right products.
Other food businesses that are considering using Vypr, I would say you don't have to guess the answer, you could always just test it. It's a great tool to aid those final stages of decision making in product launch, where there might be a few questions that you need to answer quickly before you take to market to really ensure that you've got the best opportunity for success.
So Vypr helps us support our retail and food service customers because it gives us that competitive edge, gives them the confidence that we've got consumer data to back up the product and gives them the confidence to launch.
So Vypr gives us a tool that we can use every single day in every single product. to know a specific information to a specific people. It's very quick. We get a lot of information from the people we are trying to get, which is gold for marketing.
What's next for innovation at Bell's? We're always looking forward. Ingredient trends is a big thing on our radar at the moment. We've seen global trends like matcha, pistachio and coffee. We'll always be looking for the next trends to bring to market through bakery.
Vypr has really supported our MPD. It's great to have that reassurance that the product's going to be well received. It's taken out that subjective opinion and given us some robust feedback from a larger consumer base.